Looking to earn some extra cash on the side? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a fantastic free app that offers multiple ways to earn rewards quickly and easily. With great payout methods and fast transactions, this site is a game changer for anyone looking to make money in their spare time. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your income effortlessly. Before we embark on this exciting journey, I invite you to subscribe and activate notifications so you never miss an opportunity to transform your life. I am here to share extraordinary strategies for generating income online that are accessible from any corner of the globe. Please share your country in the comments below, and I will craft specialized content just for you. Now, let's get started. Turn your spare time into cash effortlessly. Earn real money by completing simple online tasks with RewardDXP. It's the ultimate get-paid-to site that values your time and effort, offering lucrative rewards and quick payouts right at your fingertips. Imagine earning extra cash in your pocket just by completing fun and easy online tasks. With RewardDXP, you can enjoy a seamless earning experience, choose from great payout methods, and receive your rewards swiftly. Enhance your rewards effortlessly by immersing yourself in engaging new games and cutting-edge apps, while also sharing your valuable opinions through thought-provoking surveys to earn lucrative XP points. Furthermore, you have the opportunity to accumulate rewards just by viewing videos. An endless array of videos is available for your viewing pleasure. Additionally, by interacting with others on their Discord channel, you stand a chance to earn more rewards or prizes. Brace yourself for the excitement of unlocking the highest payouts imaginable, which surpass industry standards by an impressive average of over 20%, setting a new benchmark for excellence in task completion rewards. Cash in on your earned XP points and choose from a diverse array of desirable options including cash, leading cryptocurrencies, or versatile gift cards. Your well-deserved rewards are merely a click away, with swift and dependable cash outs that guarantee seamless processing round the clock. Be assured that your payment will reach you promptly within a guaranteed time frame of just 4 hours, ensuring that you can enjoy the fruits of your labor without delay. Start earning extra money today with RewardDXP, the top-notch GPT site that pays generously for your time and offers hassle-free payouts. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. Your support helps us create more informative content just like this. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about making money methods. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.